Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's topic, we'll be tackling on how to upgrade hero gears in Whiteout survival game. Let's start by discussing the effect of the gear to your heroes. The gears will increase the combat capability of your heroes when in battle because it will improve their power. The gears have different rarity, so the higher the level of the gear that you equip to your hero increases the power of your hero more. So to upgrade the gears, all you have to do is to acquire the necessary materials like the common gears. The common gears will be consumed to enhance the higher level rarity of the gear like the mythic one. Simply tap the upgrade button on the gear that you want. It is recommended that you just need to upgrade the higher gear so that it will save you some of the materials and to increase your power compared when upgrading the common gears. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.